Hey nail friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenna and I'm a licensed nail tech. If you're new here, want to see how I painted this Barbie inspired nail set? Well, stick around and watch this tutorial. I'm going to show you how I laid my acrylic and encapsulated it with glitter. And I'm also going to show you how I did the nail art on each one of these nails, y'all. So let's just get into some things. I'm using Mia's Secret liquid monomer and clear acrylic to create this set. I'm also going to mix a couple of different glitters together to give me that Barbie pink, fun, girly look that I want for my encapsulation. I'm going to place my first bead of acrylic at the free edge of the nail to create my extension and give my chunky glitter something to stick to. So after I've laid that, I'm picking up some glitter and I'm just going to smear it and smudge it around into that until I get the desired look that I want. I don't use any specific bead method. I lay my first bead at the free edge and then I use as many beads as I need to create my set. Once I'm happy with the free edge, I'm going to go in with my next bead towards the center of the nail. And I want to add some butterflies to this just because I feel like Barbie gives butterflies. So I'm just going to smear that over the top of my chunky glitter until I get all of the butterflies where I want them. And then I'm going to lay my third bead at the cuticle area of the nail. This is going to help me with structure and help build up my apex. And I'm also going to encapsulate all of the glitters with clear acrylic. So when I go in and do my filing and buffing and shaping, I don't destroy any of that art that I've laid inside of the acrylic. Once I've done everything on all 5 of my nails, I'm going to remove these nail forms so we can start filing, shaping, and buffing. I'm using my 5-in-1 Prana drill bit, and I'm just cleaning up those edges where the acrylic kind of ran down to the side a little bit. Going in with my nail file to shape up those edges so that they're nice and crispy. I'm going in with my drill bit again to seal those cuticles and just smooth out the shape of the entire nail. I want to remove as many lumps and bumps as possible so that I can cut down on my buffing time. So I'm just using my drill left to right to smooth out that nail, and then I'm going to turn my hand and go from the base to the free edge to check that shape and make sure everything looks good. I'm also going to carve out a little bit of a C curve to add a little bit more structure to the end of that nail, and here's the finished product. All right, before we get into this nail art, let's take a little pause so you can like and subscribe to this video. So on my pinky, I'm going to do the iconic Barbie symbol. I'm using a white base to trace out where I'm going to paint her, and then it'll really help my colors pop. Now that I got Barbie all outlined, I am filling her in with this Barbie hot pink, and I'm just filling in all that white area. Once that's cured, I'm going to go in with my black lining brush and trace out the entire icon. And once I ever trace out in black, I'm going to trace her out again in white, and that's just going to kind of give it a sticker effect that makes her pop. I'm going to add some glitter shading around her face and then top coat that. Now on the thumb, I'm just going to put her name, Barbie, the icon, and I'm just doing that all in white. And once I have all of those letters laid, I'm going to start filling in and surrounding Barbie's name in that same pink that I used for the pinky. Then I'm just going to add some extra bling around Barbie because what is Barbie without bling? Now I'm just going to do a blingy nail. I'm going to randomly place some hearts, some butterflies, some teardrops, some flowers on this nail. And I'm just randomly placing them around, top coating that. Now let's use some sculpting gel. We are going to sculpt a flower because I feel like Barbie gives flowers also. So I'm just taking 3 different colors of sculpting gel, rolling them into balls, and then placing them onto the nail to create this flower. I'm using my silicone brush to press all of those shapes of the petals into the nail. I've already top coated the nail, so once I cure this, I don't have to worry about losing any of my definition by having to top coat over that sculpted flower. I'm adding a little bit of that sparkly glitter polish into it just to add more depth. And I'm going to add some bling into the center of that flower and then bling all around it. Now for the star of the show, let's paint Barbie herself. So I have outlined where I want her. Now I'm filling in her face with white because again, I'm going to go over that white with other colors and I just want them to be able to pop. So now I'm filling her in. We are doing Black Barbie. Shout out to Christy. And I'm just going in with all the fine details. I'm starting out with her eyes. It'll help me balance out the rest of her face. And then I'm going to go in and do her nose. And then I am going to finish with her smile. And then add all of the fine details that we need. Like lashes, bling, blush. We got to get Barbie looking cute, y'all. So here's a nail tip. Matte coat your nails before doing any nail art so that you don't have to worry about your colors running into each other. Your gel will stay exactly where you put it and you will have nice crispy lines whenever you do any of your line work. Now I'm just adding the finishing touches. We're adding more sparkle, more pink, and then we're just going to top coat. And here is the finished Barbie set, y'all. Let me know what you think, and will you be going to see the Barbie movie? If you made it to this end of this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more nail art tutorials. Keep me motivated. Let me know what you want to see in the comments. See you guys soon. Bye, nail friends.